Hey guys, are you tired of jumping from one software to another just to make a decent video? Like using Google VEO to generate videos, ChatGPT for images, and then Capcut for editing. Yeah, it's kind of exhausting. But guess what? There's finally a tool that can do all of that in one place. It's called Edimakor, and the best part? You can try it for free. Link is right below in the description, so don't miss it. Step 1, exploring the interface and features. So first of all, Edimakor is packed with AI features. You'll find things like AI avatar, face swap, AI video, AI music, and even full-on video editing. Basically, everything you need is right here in one place without the hassle of switching apps. But for this video, I'll be focusing on 3 features that I think are the most exciting: AI video generation, image generation, and the AI Shorts Maker that lets you turn longer videos into short, shareable clips. Step 2, AI video generation. Let's start with the video generator. I chose the AI video feature, and this time I went with the image to video option. Though there are also choices like text to video, AI dance, and more. After that, I picked the model I wanted. There are 3 options available, and yes, Google VEO is included here. Pretty awesome, right? I uploaded an image, cropped it a little, and then entered my prompt. By default, the video length is set to 8 seconds in 720p resolution, but you can actually generate up to 4 results at once. I also turned on the generate audio option, so the video would have sound effects included. Then I hit generate and waited for a few minutes. And there it was. The result looked great. What's nice is that you can add the video directly into the editing window to keep working on it. I even tried switching to a different model, and the results came out completely different, but equally impressive. Step 3, trying the AI image generator. Next, I tested the image generator. I selected the AI image feature and went with the text to image option. There are also options for reference image if you want consistent characters, or image restyler if you'd like to change the style of your image. I typed in my prompt and decided not to use any specific style, although there are plenty to choose from, like Ghibli, pixel art, 3D cartoon, and more. For resolution, you can go up to 2K HD, which is really nice, and the aspect ratios are all available. I went with 16:9. You can also generate up to 4 images at once. I clicked generate, waited just a few seconds, and boom, the images were ready. The best part, you can drop them directly into the editing timeline if you want to use them in your project. Finally, I tried the Shorts feature, and honestly, this one might be my favorite. All I had to do was open the AI Shorts tool, paste a YouTube video link, and let it download. After that, I got to choose the clip length, whether I wanted it to be 30 seconds, a full minute, 90 seconds, or even up to 3 minutes. Then came the fun part, subtitles. There are so many styles to pick from: trending, dynamic, highlight, you name it. Once I made my choice, I clicked generate, and after a short wait, the tool gave me several different short clips to pick from. I just selected the one I liked best, hit export, waited a little bit more, and boom, it was done. The short was ready to post. So that's it. HitPaw Edimakor. Everything you need for AI content, whether it's generating images, creating videos with Google VEO 3, or editing and making shorts. It's all here in one place. Super convenient, right? Don't waste time switching between 5 different apps. Just grab HitPaw Edimakor and you're set. Download it now using the link in the description below. And hey, try it for yourself and let me know in the comments what you think. All right, that's it for today. See you in the next one.